everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Google One payments failed. Getting a payments failed error on Google One, I'll show you how to fix it and complete your payments easily. Just follow these few simple tricks. The first step is to check your payments method, and to do that, just go to your browser or your mobile phone depending on which device you're using, and then go to pay.google.com. Let's search for pay.google.com or search for just for pay Google, and you're gonna click on this website, and after that log in with your Google account. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Now here, click on payments methods. The second step is to update or add any new payments method. Now if the card is expired or declined, click on edit and add payments method. Click on add payments method and enter a valid credit or a debit card or PayPal. The third step is to clear payment issues in Google Play. And to do that, just open Google Play Store. Let's look for Play Store. And then go to Profile. Let's see Profile here. You're just gonna click on your here. And then click on Payments and Subscriptions. And try subscribing again. Now don't forget to check your bank for any blocks or international transactions, and use Google Balance if other payments fails. That's how you fix Google One payments errors. Update your payments method and retry. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.